genuinely sit with pandits for 8 hours and understand each process of each puja, the importance, the relevance of murtas, the importance and we have 35 pujas listed on our website right now.
So you know all 35 pujas?
I am aware of the processes of all 35 pujas, how much time it takes, how many panditji it requires, how much samagri it takes.
So it is very clear to build a startup. It is not like that पैसा उठा लो, एक ऐप बना लो और चालू करो. You have to have a ground research done.
Yeah. At least 1.5 years we did our
So
research.
pandits were open to discuss pujas with you. वो पूछते होंगे ना आपको क्या करना है, आप पूजा करा लो. Or
Yes.
you are more interested into knowing the procedure, कितना घंटा लगता है.
तो यहाँ पे मैंने जो पहले जो मेरे पहचान वाले थे, the pandits that we had an interaction with, who I knew, I started interacting with them. But I'll tell you a major thing why the pandits were interested in discussing this with me.
Right.
While conducting the research, I found out that or probably my entire team found out that there was not a gap only at the yajmans or the customers end. There was a huge gap at the pandit's end also. Now, what is that gap? An actor's son wants to be an actor. A doctor's son wants to be a doctor.
Right.
A pandit's son was not willing to become a pandit, a practicing purohit. Now, why is that so? Is because they were not able to, have a secure income source, not having perks, not having formal education. So,
I don't think so government also has anything for them.
Nothing at
They
all.
have anything?
yeah, there are Vedic पाठशालास, but then उसके बाद काम ढूंढना तो तुम्हारे ऊपर है ना.
Right.
So ये problem था. That is why a lot of practicing pandits were doing part-time jobs also.
Even I had a pandit who was working with some bank.
Yeah.
He is a manager or not a manager exactly. He's a clerk level employee at a bank and part time he is a pandit ji also.
एकदम correct. Now चलो वो तो 50-50 उसने काम कर लिया. But his son, वो तो क्या सोचेगा कि नहीं I am not able to generate income here. I will do it over there. So he'll opt for some other jobs. That is when Speedy Pandit came in as a solution for them also. You become a part of Speedy Pandit. It is our responsibility to give you work and put a value to that work.
So basically you build them the sales, you get them the sales.
I get them the sales. Plus, we are having tie-ups with Vedic Pathshalas. We are running a training and placement program, just like we have in colleges. Placement cells say, the companies come in. Similar, yeah.
I was about to ask, how do you source pandits in your organization?
So we are having tie-ups with Vedic Pathshalas. We have pandit through references. There are a lot of, norms that a pandit has to fulfill. It's not
To become a pandit.
Yeah, to become a Speedy Pandit ka practicing.
You have your own checklist.
Yeah, we have our own standardization. The thing is that when a pandit is going into a household, he is representing speedypandit.com. तो वहाँ पे सिर्फ पंडित नहीं गए हैं, वहाँ पे स्पीडी पंडित के पंडित जी गए हैं. तो हो क्या रहा है, what we are wanting from them is, or what we are promising to our yajmans is that our pandit will come to your house with all the samagris, will explain the importance, relevance of the pujas to you.
Okay. हाँ, I was coming to that point कि पूजा तो सब लोग करा के लेते हैं और मैं क्या करूँगा, मेरे बाप दादा जमाने से एक पंडित जी का फैमिली है, वही हमारे घर में पूजा करता है, right? I'll go with him only na. Why I should go to Speedy Pandit?
Yes.
Or suppose I feel that is your audience only the people who do not have any connect in Pune?
No, I'll tell you, Aditya. Now you have already a person in place for your puja.
Right.
Let's say you are comfortable in doing a puja on Saturday morning, क्योंकि तुमको तो छुट्टी है.
Right.
You can give your time,
Right.
but that you have only connect with one pandit. What if that pandit is not available on Saturday as it is a Muhurat day? उसने already कहीं पे commitment दे दी है. वो आपको बोलेंगे आप Monday morning करवा लो, फिर आपको काम से छुट्टी लेके करवाना पड़ेगा.
फिर पूजा कराओ.
तो here is speedypandit.com. अगर आप हमारे ऐप पे आते हो, you can select your puja, you can select your preferred date and time. So this is for your convenience.
So you're selling convenience also.
Actually we are selling you convenience for the pujas. Never have we gotten ahead and said कि ये पूजा करवा लो आपका अच्छा हो जाएगा. We have never said that. But अगर आपको पूजा करवानी है, speedypandit.com is the best option you have right now.
When does the pandit ji comes in contact with the customer? सीधा पूजा करने के टाइम?
सीधा पूजा करने के टाइम.
अच्छा. So
अगर
you have
कोई
cut down
doubts-
that interface also.
Our business development team takes care of the entire things. If a yajman wants to have any kind of a conversation with the pandit before getting the puja done, so हम एक phone call arrange करवाते हैं. We can have a telephonic conversation, but the pandit is meeting the yajman only on the puja day.
It's a startup. Do you agree? It's a startup.
It's a startup.
Pure startup. So I feel like that startups get lot of, they have lot of hurdles. It's not only about the idea. It is from, might be your friends, might be family. Let's talk about family. एक आइडिया लेके आए हो एंड पीपल फैमिली इज लाइक कि क्यों करना है भाई, ये क्या है, और व्हाट इज योर रिलेशन विद पंडित एंड गुरुजीज, why you want to do that? So how did you tackle that being a startup?
So initially what happened when we had the Speedy Pandit idea on paper कि अभी करना है, ये रिसर्च है, ये मार्केट साइजिंग है, दिस एवरीथिंग वी हैड ऑन पेपर, दैट इज व्हेन आई टोल्ड माय peers and my family about it. I could see from everyone's expressions that सब बोल रहे थे कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं ना, what are you doing, what is this exactly, and how are you going to even scale it, and how is it going to even work? But I'll tell you something, Aditya. How often have you found yourself, probably driving on the road, you have a brilliant idea in your head कि यार ये कर लूंगा ना, ये solution है, मस्त काम हो जाएगा. But then life happens and you forget about that idea. At the end, what happens is a brilliant business idea remains untouched.
Technology plus tradition, it's a very rare thing.
So that is the difference between motion and action. मैंने सिर्फ उसको सोचा नहीं, मैंने और मेरे पार्टनर ने इसको सिर्फ सोचा नहीं, हमने इसको एक्शन में लाया. We started building upon it, we just started working on it. So हमने क्या सोचा कि जैसे एड टेक होता है, फिनटेक होता है, दिस मार्केट इज नोन एज faith tech, and we will be the first movers of the faith tech market.
Anyone else in the faith tech that you?
There are a couple, but जैसे Astro Talk वगैरह हो गया.
Astro Talk is again a faith.
Yeah. But what is happening is they are not providing you puja services. And even if there are a couple of players in the market, they are aggregator models. They are selling leads to the Pandit ji and taking a commission from there. So ये हम नहीं कर रहे. What we are doing is a Speedy Pandit ji is coming to your place. We are taking an entire guarantee of that entire process.
How does the expansion came into the play? Because ठीक है, पहले तो एक ही पूजा सोचा रहेगा, जो सबसे कॉमन पूजा है. सत्यनारायण पूजा इज वेरी कॉमन.
Satyanarayan is very common.
कि चलो यार पहले लेट्स डू सत्यनारायण पूजा एंड देन we'll think about other pujas. So how did you expand to different pujas and how that plan worked out? Or you started with 35 pujas? Because I've seen startups doing a mistake like that कि let's launch 5 services at a time. Instead of going for one services and testing the market.
Yeah.
I call that phase test the market first. We call it in startup POC. Proof of concept.
Proof of concept.
So when did you get your POC, or what was the moment where you got your POC?
So a lot of credit, most of it I would like to give to this concept known as research and development. Every startup or every business or everything needs continuous research and development. तो जैसे पूजास का भी चालू हुआ, इनिशियली व्हाट वी थिंक इज देयर आर 2-3 पूजास. एक सत्यनारायण हो गया, गृह प्रवेश हो गया, वास्तु शांति हो गया, कार लिया तो कार का पूजा हो गया, एक 2-4 पूजा होते हैं, दिवाली हो गया तो दिवाली पूजा. बट व्हेन वी स्पेंट अबाउट 1.5 year विद द पंडित जीज टू अंडरस्टैंड द पूजास क्या क्या होते हैं, एंड ऑल्सो वी स्टार्टेड इंटरेक्टिंग विद आवर पीयर्स. वी अंडरस्टूड दैट अबाउट 35 to 40 पूजास होते हैं जो हमको डेली लाइफ में लगते हैं, जो लोग करते हैं. सो वो रिसर्च से हमको ये पता चला कि पूजास कैसे एक्सपैंड करने हैं. देन एक्सपांशन ऑफ द टेक. अभी पहले फॉर द पास्ट 2.5 years वी वर ओनली वेबसाइट बेस्ड. नाउ वी आर ऑल्सो लॉन्च्ड आवर एप्लीकेशन. तो इट इज़ फॉर ईज एंड कन्वीनियंस ऑफ द यूजर्स. व्हेन वी लॉन्च्ड आवर एप्लीकेशन, अभी उसमें भी इट इज़ नॉट लिमिटेड ओनली टूवर्ड्स पूजास. इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. इट इज़ हैविंग इंटरैक्टिव कंटेंट. आपको ज़ोडिएक साइन के बारे में इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, गुड डेज बैड डेज के बारे में इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, सो दैट अगेन केम आफ्टर रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. एंड स्पीकिंग ऑफ बिजनेस एक्सपेंशन, सो वी वर ओनली टैपिंग इनटू द B2C मार्केट. अगर आपको पूजा करना है, गूगल पे सर्च कर लो पंडित जी नियर मी, स्पीडी पंडित आ जाएगा, पूजा बुक कर लो, राइट. आई ऑल्सो हैड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंटरेक्ट विद द बिल्डर्स.
So B2B segment of it.
इसमें किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं कि इसको B2B मॉडल में भी बना सकते हैं. अब बिल्डर से जब मैंने बात किया, ही इज टेलिंग मी दैट वी आर हैविंग 1000 यूनिट्स, 80% ऑफ द क्राउड इज हिंदू क्राउड. दैट मीन्स 800 वास्तु शांतिज एंड गृह प्रवेशेस आर गोइंग टू हैपन इन दैट प्लेस.
Yeah, because everyone does that.
एवरीवन हैज टू डू. अगर कोई पेंट ब्रश भी नहीं लगाता इंटीरियर को, उससे पहले एक गृह प्रवेश करके एंटर करता है. अब बिल्डर पहले क्या कर रहा था, बिल्डर एक बड़ी सी चाबी दे रहा था, बिल्डर केक कट कर रहा था टू सेलिब्रेट द न्यू परचेस. नाउ बिल्डर इज ऑफरिंग अ वास्तु शांति और गृह प्रवेश पूजा फ्रॉम हिज साइड, विच वी आर डूइंग. So continuous R&D has helped us expand our business, even in location wise. So right now we started from Pune and now we are operational in Pune and Mumbai.
Being startup, you agree to that fact. Idea is one thing. हर एक को idea आता है. But research matters a lot.
Yes.
And whether you have a right market for it or not. And there is exactly demand is there or not for your idea. So things. Whether you have a market for that idea or not.
Yes.
And second, whether the market is ready for you or not.
Exactly.
Both things are different, right?
Exactly.
किन किन लोग को लगता है कि इसके लिए मार्केट है तो मैं आइडिया निकाल लेता हूँ.
हाँ, ऐसे नहीं हो.
Right. But market should be accepting you. There has to be a demand from it.
Yes.
So I like your point. There are 40 pujas.
Yes.
I can name only 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I don't know. There are 40 pujas that people do on a regular
Yes,
basis.
yes.
So that's a good thing. But now we have talked about idea and expansion and research.
Correct.
But this everything needs only one thing, right? That's called money.
Yeah.
So what are your thoughts about finance and how did you go for your fundraising and what was the entire journey all about?
Yes, I mean, you have been a witness to it.
Yeah, I was there with you.
Yeah, initially when we started Speedy Pandit, I had an idea in my head कि इसको एक proper startup बनाना है. You know, this is going to be something that is going to be groundbreaking and it is going to be revolutionary. That vision and that confidence me and my partner Nilesh both had.
So just to define
Yeah.
proper startup, can you just say that? So आपको profitable startup बनाना था?
Yes.
यानी वो जो valuation का game खेलते हैं बड़ा
नहीं,
बड़ा.
हाँ, तो क्या है कि फुगाजी क्रिएट नहीं करना है हमको.
Okay.
हमको जेन्युइनली एक सर्विस सेल करना है और सर्विस से वेंडर्स को भी प्रॉफिट होगा, कंपनी को भी प्रॉफिट होगा एंड एट द एंड जो क्लाइंट है जो सर्विस ले रहा है उसको वो सर्विस से वैल्यू ऐड भी मिल जाएगा. ये 3 सेक्टर्स है, तीनों को हमको सेटिस्फाई करना था. हमारी रिसर्च में हमको पता चला है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू फोर्ब्स दिस इज इट इज $68 billion अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड मार्केट इन इंडिया, द फेथ टेक मार्केट. Yeah. So I wanted a business consultant. That is when you came into place and you agreed to be a part of us. We'll discuss that. You know, why did you agree to us? तो ये था. Then we were initially bootstrapped.
Okay.
हमारे पास, like I told you, कि there is a difference between thoughts and execution, motion and action. हमारी motion थी ये सब चीज़, लेकिन हम this is according to a book that I am currently reading, The Atomic Habits by James Clear. कि मोशन और एक्शन में जो डिफरेंस है ना, दैट इज व्हाट इज मेकिंग यू सक्सेसफुल. आइडिया तो सबके दिमाग में आता है, वो हमने एग्जीक्यूट किया. ओके, इनिशियली बूटस्ट्रैप करके एग्जीक्यूट किया. देन यू नो बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड एंड आवर हार्ड वर्क वी गॉट आवर फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टर ऑन बोर्ड. वेरी गुड पर्सन मिस्टर सुशील. यू नो ही इज हेल्प्ड अस अ लॉट. उनके एक्सपर्टीज, उनका फंड्स, ये सब यूटिलाइज करके हमने और लेवल अप किया. देन हमने सेकेंड राउंड रेस किया. मिस्टर अनिकेत, ही इज ऑल्सो बीन अ वेरी गुड हेल्पिंग हैंड. And the amount of faith that they had in this idea as well as the founders, because we as founders, me and Nilesh, we have complete faith in our idea, we have complete faith in ourselves, and we have most importantly complete faith in each other. Yes.
So we agree, being a consultant, I also agree to this point. Whenever you go for the first round of funding, whatever it's called a pre-seed or a seed funding, right? It is mostly based on the idea is a one part of it.
Yes.
I'll give 20 to 30% weightage to an idea,
Yeah.
and I'll give 70% weightage to the founders,
Yes.
to the owners, how they are approaching that idea. Market can be a crowdy market, or it has to be a very unique market.
Yeah.
But what matters is, does the founder has it? They have it within themselves
Yes.
to kill that idea and to make a blast out of it.
Yes.
I guess Speedy is doing that very well, and your fundraising might have been a good journey for you.
Yes.
How many pitchings you had to do? Might be virtual, offline, online, to secure a good amount of funding or whatever funding that you have secured.
So I'll tell you, I take it very positively. We have done a lot of pitchings. Even for you, we have done a lot of mock pitchings as well.
Yeah. Mock pitchings was a critical element.
Yes. This has helped us. How it has helped us? चलो हम बोलते हैं कि एक इन्वेस्टमेंट मिलने से पहले यार हमको 15 बार 20 बार पिचिंग करना पड़ा, लेकिन कुछ हमको रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया. बट दैट लर्निंग दैट 15 pitches gave us before the 16th one that turned around is something that I earned with each and every pitch. Yeah, so everything we look at as an opportunity.
Some investors will be very harsh.
Very harsh.
बोल रहे हो क्या आइडिया नहीं चलेगा या फिर
बिल्कुल लगा है, नहीं चलेगा, ये तुम क्या कर रहे हो, यू नो व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. A lot of people come and go. You are one of them. We have heard this.
Okay.
Yeah, people said that to us. But like there are good and bad sides. There are our investors also जिन्होंने हम पे वो भरोसा रखा है ना, as founders, as an idea. They had faith in us, and we know what kind of potential we are having, and we know what kind of growth we are currently seeing. If we see the first investor that we had, we have made his value of stocks worth 10x. 10x now in 2.5 years. तो इतना रिटर्न आपको कौन दे रहा है?
What was your last round of investment?
Yeah, it was around 1 crore rupees.
1 year.
Yeah.
At a valuation of?
So it's a CCD investment.
Okay.
So after 3 years, CCD is compulsory convertible debentures. Yeah. So at the end of 3 years, what amount of the value my company will have according to BSE and NSE? So उतने amount के shares my investor will get.
Can you tell me a roughly evaluation of your company, how it will be right now? A valuation of your company?
Yeah, it's somewhere around 25 crore rupees.
25 years
Yeah.
worth of company you
Yeah.
get in 2 years.
Yeah, in 2 years. And this is
what will
BSE,
be-
NSE
what will
certified.
be In next 2 years?
In next 2 years, it will surely cross 100.
100 years.
Yeah, it will surely cross 100 as we are growing tech-wise as well as we'll be growing boundary-wise.
Coming to a very critical point of a startup, I've heard this term that we are burning, you know. When it comes to burning, it is all about marketing. Is it awareness-based marketing or a content-driven marketing or straight away kill it off a lead gen campaign? What is your marketing strategy? How do you work around with your marketing? Because I don't think that you will be using some hoardings or something like that in your area. So what is the clear element of marketing that you have? What is the strategy behind marketing that you guys have?
Right. So, see, when we started speedypundit.com, of course, अभी एक वेबसाइट बना हुआ है, उस पर कोई आएगा ही नहीं unless and until they come to know of it. Right. So, initially, while we were doing the POC, proof of concept, तभी हमको क्या लगा कि यार लोग हमसे पंडित बुक करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे, पूजा बुक करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे.
Right.
That is when we used to do a lot of lead generation campaigns
Okay.
in the initial stages.
To generate a POC or generate a sales, you need a pure lead gen campaign.
Yeah. So it was spread across 60-40. 60% of it was lead generation campaigning and 40% was it of awareness generation. Yeah. But एक साल के बाद जब हमने उसको फिर वापस स्टडी किया, when we did our research and development again, we understood that there is no need to hammer people with it. कि आप फॉर्म भरो, आप हमसे ही पूजा कराओ. There is nothing. It's not necessary because of our service is very good.
Right.
Right. Once you do a booking from us, our service is so good that you will आगे आप करते ही रहोगे
So
स्पीडी
you might
पंडित से.
have marketed your quality of service, that is testimonials,
Yes.
or might be some reviews that
Correct.
matters because it's a service-based organization, right?
So क्या हो गया? After 1 year, when we sat down again on our marketing campaigning strategy, we said कि we will do 80% only awareness campaigns.
Okay.
So right now we are not doing almost, it's next to nothing of lead generation.
Okay.
All we are doing is, see, this is Speedy Pandit. If you want to do a puja, we are the best option over here. We give you certified Panditjis with all the puja samagris, right from a matchbox until pedas, everything that is required.
Right.
If there's a need, you come on to Speedy Pandit. And this has worked in our favor.
Okay.
Yeah, and while doing awareness campaigns, as you rightly pointed out, कि testimonials have helped us a lot.
Right.
Genuinely, जिसने who has experienced our service, if that person is coming and telling that वो सच्चाई दिखता है,
Right.
उसको हमने बस awareness campaigns किया हुआ है. Majorly, we are doing digital marketing.
Okay.
So your social medias is happening,
Social media is-
then your Google ads is happening.
Okay.
Majorly, we are doing.
But I feel that Pandit ji, Guru ji is kind of a seasonal business. कभी कभी शादी का सीजन रहता है, you know, in December all pandits are busy doing weddings. Then there are some seasons where Murat based like Diwali.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Ganpati. I guess Ganpati might be like a huge thing for you. Ganpati, Navratra, Diwali. So
Yeah.
what do you plan for Ganpati? And how has been Ganpati and Navratra been for you?
So being in Maharashtra, Ganpati is the hugest opportunity that we can have. But I'll answer your first question first. That is this a seasonal business? ये हमने भी सोचा था कि यार ये सीजन होता है फिर नहीं होता है फिर नहीं होता है. But that's not the case.
Right.
A person is buying a new property any day.
Right.
Right, and then he would want to have a Graha Pravesh Vastu Shanti Puja any day. Again, there are Satyanarayan Pujas, Udak Shantis, in a person's lifespan from his pre-birth to post-demises. there are a lot of pujas that are happening. So it's not just a seasonal business, but हाँ, there is a spike in season.
Spike in season.
Yeah, spike तो है.
You might have a good even on all the other months, but some
Yeah.
spikes that you'll be getting in certain months.
One of the hugest spike that we have is Ganpati.
Okay.
And Ganpati में क्या हो जाता है कि एक 4 hours का 5 hours का एक
मुहूर्त रहता है।
मुहूर्त रहता है.
इसके पहले गणपति
इतना ही स्लॉट है, इसमें आपको गणपति बिठाना है.
Right.
Now what we are doing is we are serving all across Pune, all across Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. Right. So it's a huge geographical area to cover.
And in both this location, Ganpati is like
Yeah.
a big fest.
गणपति इज द बिगेस्ट फेस्ट. अब इसमें भी क्या हो रहा है कि पंडित किसी को चाहिए हिंदी, किसी को चाहिए मराठी, किसी को चाहिए इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, किसी को चाहिए तमिल, किसी को चाहिए तेलुगु. सो वाइल बुकिंग ही इज डूइंग दैट. In those 3 to 4 hours time span all across Pune, Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, we are conducting more than 300 pujas.
Oh, that's a great.
Yeah. So अभी ये लास्ट ईयर का नंबर है, ये साल into 2 into 3 होने का बहुत ही ज़्यादा.
So you're eyeing around 700,000
Yeah.
pujas this year on a
Single
only single day of Ganpati Sthapana or something like that.
Yeah, on Ganpati Sthapana, single day, 4 hours, 5 hours span. So 700 to 900 is what something we are expecting this year. तो ये पंडित जी का हर एक घर पे टाइम पे पहुंचना, सारी सामग्री लेके, and then every pandit is having 5 pujas, you know, procuring those many panditjis, those many samagris. We at least एक हफ्ता पहले से हम उनका टाइम टेबल बनाते हैं. वी सिट इन द ऑफिस, कौन पंडित कितने बजे, या कौन पंडित कितने बजे कहाँ जाएगा, वहाँ से फिर कहाँ जाएगा. Then we have to consider the massive rains that happens on the Ganpati Sthapana day in Mumbai and Pune. So ये सब करके कम से कम एक हफ्ते का प्रिपरेशन हमको लगता है. And then finally the Ganpati day comes. But touch wood, सब बहुत अच्छे से smoothly हो जाता है जी.
So your marketing campaign must be starting way ahead before Ganpati.
At least a month.
And ending before, again, some few days before Ganpati.
Even on the day of Ganpati we take bookings.
Okay, that's great.
That is the amount of confidence we have because the number of panditjis that we are giving work to.
So marketing is not just about spending money haphazardly. It is, now your business is quite seasonal, you get spikes.
Yeah.
So your marketing budget will be also, varying depending on the seasons. And
Not necessarily, Aditya, not necessary. It's because see, whilst marketing, what we are doing firstly is we are doing intent setting. What is the intent of marketing of speedypandit.com? The intent is that people should know कि अगर आपको पूजा करना है, स्पीडी पंडित से आपको वैदिक पाठशाला सर्टिफाइड पंडित जी और सारी सामग्री मिल जाएगी. Then why restrict saying this only in the seasonal days? So we have a very stable marketing.
yeah, that will be there, but only for Ganpati you might have some.
गणपति के लिए थोड़ा सा हाँ सीजनल ऑफरिंग्स होता है. देर आर डिस्काउंट्स दैट वी प्रोवाइड. देन कंटेंट क्रिएशन पे हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं, तो वो चीज़ें होती.
So I guess startups should focus on content-driven marketing, spreading the awareness that what exactly startup is about, instead of only focusing on sales and generating leads. That is also a good thing. Leads will come through awareness.
Leads and sales is a result of what you're offering. If I am offering you a good service, if it is going to add value to you, if it is going to add value to the vendor, of course you'll make that sale. So I don't have to go ahead and tell that buy my service. I am just saying that this is my service, and if you want to buy it, then we are here, and that is what has worked for us. So to complement what you've said is yes, we should focus on content-driven marketing.
So being in a journey of consulting and majorly startup consulting, Speedy Pandit has always been a one startup that I always talk about. I always remember because I still remember that one phone call that it came from you. Ki hi, we are doing something like this, and we need to we might have to raise funds, and we are planning to do something like this. The first call that I got, क्या करते हो? पंडित जी भेजते हो कॉल पे. I was like, okay, something interesting. So I always have a knack for startups who are bringing something new into the domain. And I always like to explore the revenue model out of it first, because it's a business after all. We are not doing charity. So I just wanted to know how sizable and how expandable it can be. Because if startup is not scalable, it's not expandable, and their revenue model is not generating profits, then this is where the startup's failure journey starts. So I was very intrigued by the idea But as I said, I never go only for the idea. I just wanted to see the numbers, what you guys are planning and how you guys are planning. So what really impressed me that you had a background research done, and you had your self-awareness that much that you need some external support. Most of the time I have seen that startups and lot of entrepreneurs are very shy. Very shy to even talk about their startups. पहले बोलते हैं भाई NDA sign करोगे क्या? अरे that is okay. If your startup has been to a POC level, it's okay to sign an NDA and then discuss. But your idea, if you are not able to talk about outside and you are shy, you are very shy to ask for external support. So I like your approach that you wanted to hire someone as external support. So I look for that approach first, because you have to have a learning attitude, because you are the people who are gonna get uplifted out of your startup. Being a consultant, right? It is not like that. ये startup में बेचने वाला हो और मुझे कुछ मिलने वाला है, right? It is gonna expand. So my vision is very clear when I take on board startup. That's why I always mention Speedy Pandit, because you were very prompt in everything that we have to do. You were very, persistent in doing things repeatedly. Too many revisions we had to do. We have to change entire revenue model. We have to come with the entire new marketing strategy. Then we had that full one-day retreats. Might be in Koregaon Park, might be some other locations. But one day brainstorming also helped us to identify the locations, how to create the next pitch deck, how to get ready for the next round. Along with your first investor, we had so many lunch sessions, dinner sessions, which also helped. So interaction is the key. And startup going forward, for going someone who is an expert of that field. If you don't know recruitments, it's okay. Go for a recruitment consultant, pay that person off, and get moving. Because you are going to do a fundraising anyways. So instead of waiting for a right person to come, it is always better to get a support from external people, scale up the ladder, and when the time comes, hire the right resource. But
because
this
the
cycle
team is very important. You know, if you hire the team externally also, or you have an internal team, having a good team is very important. And also, I would like to a little bit expand on the point that you said that, before signing an NDA, we won't even discuss this idea with you. Now, this is a very conservative thought process people might have. For me, if someone else also wants to do something like speedypundit.com, I will not take it as a, like someone is trying to rob my idea or something like that, because it is quite open, right? Everyone knows how this is working. There is Swiggy, there is Zomato, there is Ola, there is Uber, right? So it's okay. That's not the issue. For me, I take it very positively, is because this sector will grow.
right.
The more this sector grows, what is happening is people our age, we are the new India, right? Who else is?
Right.
People our age will start having more faith in this. Just because it is available more conveniently, people will start doing pujas more. Eventually, what will happen is the Panditjis will get more opportunities for work. Eventually, what will happen is this sector will grow and let the best man win in the same sector. We are very confident of our service offerings, so that is why.
I guess the approach matters a lot. And being a consultant, I always look for the right approach and a growth mindset. You had a right approach, something very different idea which I never heard of, and you had a growth appetite. This is what made me to be there with you. So we started a journey from a phone call. Only two young people meeting me out of nowhere, and today we are doing and sitting here and doing a podcast together. So I guess that's how a success is called up, and this is what is a success. And we will have such podcasts, much more many podcasts.
100%. I would like to say that the volcanic effect that you're doing, it's a very good thought process. Because when I asked you what does it mean, you said you want people to erupt. It's a very uplifting approach, I must say, Aditya, that you are having, and you're trying to uplift people like us. So I can just say thank you to you.